So we have methods of implementing an algorithm. Now on that one, we are saying it is implemented by using the flowcharts and also the other thing which is known as the pseudocode. Now let's define these things. But before we go to the definition of flowchart and also the pseudocode, I would love to remind you about the algorithm. So algorithms are steps that can be followed. Steps that can be followed to produce a desired outcome. An algorithm can be implemented using flowcharts and also pseudocode. Now, what is a flowchart? We are saying a flowchart is an organized combination of shapes, lines, and text that graphically illustrates a process or structure. That is what a flowchart is all about. I want to believe you have gotten that one. Of course, we are going to see what they mean by saying the shapes, which are, and also the texts, the lines, which are graphically illustrates a process or a structure. So we are going to look into that one. Then we have the second point is known as a pseudocode. A pseudocode is a representation of a flowchart in Word. So when you are presenting or you are representing a flowchart in words, that is what we call the pseudocode or a pseudocode. And there are some rules which should be followed when implementing a pseudocode. So right now, let us now look at the flowchart itself. We look at the symbols involved, the shapes, the lines, etc. So flowchart shapes, we have a shape, or rather a symbol, which is more like a circle. We also have another one which looks like this. The meaning of this symbol number one, it is that it means the start. Now, to every start, there must be a stop. Then it may also mean the begin. If it means the begin, meaning it has to end with the end. So, to every begin, there is an end. But to every start, there is a stop. So this is what we have. Then the next point which we have is the symbol, which is more like a parallelogram shape. Or a parallelogram. What is it used for? Or the meaning, it means the enter or the input. Then it can also mean the display. This shape also stands for the output. It also stands for print. Then we also have another shape, which is this shape there. The meaning of this shape, it is used for for decision. It is a decision box or a question box. So this is what this box is all about, or the meaning of that box. Then we have this one, which is a rectangle. It is used for process, which is also known as the action box. Then we have the lines. These lines, the loops, these are known as the direction or the program flow, the flow lines. So these are used for direction. As you can see here on the third one, where we have the decision box. The decision box, it has the lines or the arrows. The first arrow shows this side, meaning this is the direction. Then we have also another direction there. So apart from this, we also have some operations. Operations such as the divisions, we have subtractions, we have multiplications, we also have addition. So let's look at the operations now after looking at what has been written on the board. So these are the operations. We have the addition. If I write 2 plus 3, even under the computer and the calculator, we have the same, or under the program, the pseudocode, I mean the flowchart, we still use the same symbol as 2 plus 3. Then the subtraction, we have the same symbol for subtraction, or the same sign for subtraction, which is a minus sign, this one. But for multiplication, normally 2 times 3, the normal one, the sign is this, which is the multiplication. But under the flowchart, we are going to use a star to mean multiplication. So this is what we are going to have. So that one means the multiplication. Then we go to division. If I write 6 divided by 2, in a normal program of such kind, we are going to have 6 stroke 2. Or if you don't mind, you can say 6, then you do this, then you write a 2. So this means a division. This is the meaning of division symbols, or other division signs under the flowchart or the algorithm programs. So having looked at these, we are now going to have examples on how to come up with a flowchart. After that, we look at another example on how we can come up with the pseudocode. Otherwise, thank you.